I'm grade 5. Today for social science, we are going to do an experiment, okay? But in order for us to do this experiment, we need a couple of things, okay? First of all, we need a light source. So what kind of light source do we have? We can use a bed lamp, okay? A bed lamp that does work, okay? A bed lamp. We need a marker, a measuring tape, like these ones like I have, okay? We need a masking tape, and we need a shadow puppet like I have, okay? So, let's have a look, okay? What affects the size of a shadow? What affects the size of a shadow for today's lesson? I'm going to write it on the board for you. What affects the size of a shadow? Okay. So let's have a read quickly in the worksheet I sent you. Lila and Alida made crocodile shadow puppets. If they changed the position of their shadow puppet, they could make it bigger on the screen. As the crocodile shadow gets bigger, it gets scarier. Okay, so let's do an experiment. You will need a light source, which I've shown you in the class, which is a bed lamp, a screen, which I'm going to use today as the board, a shadow puppet, like I've shown you, a measuring tape, a masking tape, and a marker. Okay, so let's have a look. Set up the light source and the screen 3 meters apart. The distance between the light source and the screen is a factor of your investigation. You are not going to change the distance, so meaning you are not going to change the distance between the lamp and the light screen. It's going to stay 3 meters apart. Okay? The other factor is the distance between the shadow puppet and the light source. So meaning what we're going to change is we're going to change the distance between the light source. We're going to change the distance between the shadow puppet, the light source. Okay, we're going to change the distance. Okay. Okay. Stick a piece of masking tape on the floor between the screen and the light source. Mark off the distance every 20 centimeters from the light towards the screen for a distance of 2 meters. Mark off these distances on the masking tape with a marker. Okay? Stand at each marked distance. Hold your puppet up so the light makes a shadow of your puppet on the screen. At each distance, your partner must measure the height of the puppet on the screen and record it. Okay, so repeat all measurements and record them. Okay, so while teacher Lana is going to pause the video, I'm going to set up my experiment. Okay, guys, so I am ready for the experiment. Okay, so what we're going to do today is I have set up tables, and the tables are marked with measurements. It starts from the light source, which will be the lamp, and then I measure 20 centimeters from the lamp. As you can see, we have 20 centimeters from the lamp. So we took the measurement. I'll show you what I've done. I have taken the measuring tape or the band, and I took it and I've placed it by the lamp where I made my mark, and then I put from 20 centimeters. Okay, you see 20 centimeters, and again from 20 another 20, so it will be 40, and so I did. Okay, until we reached 120 centimeters like you've seen on the table. Alright, I'm just going to show you again so you can see properly. So here we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. So at the end, the 120 measurement should be 2 meters away from the screen. Okay, you understand? So I've placed some masking tape on the tables and I've written down the measurements towards the screen. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video again for you and then we will conduct the experiment. Okay guys, so now we're ready. So I'm going to put the shadow puppet by 20 centimeters. Okay, do you see the puppet? Do you see the shadow puppet? Yes, but it's very big. Okay, it's very big. You can still see the shadow, but it's very fake. Okay, now we're putting it at 40 centimeters. Now you're starting to see it. So it's very long. It's about the size of the board. Okay, but what if we put it at 60 centimeters? Okay, Teacher Lani, can you measure that for us?
Then it is 92.
It is 92 centimeters.
Yes.
But what if we put it at 80 centimeters? How long is it then?
Then after then it moves up to 84.
84. So at 60 centimeters it was 92. Now at 80 centimeters it's 82. Okay. What about 100? Yes.
71.
71. So at 100 centimeters it is 71 centimeters in height. And what about 120?
Yeah. 61.
61. Do you see the difference? The further away we're going from the light source, the more clearer and smaller the shadow puppet become, and with the closer to the light, the more fakely and the bigger the shadow puppet becomes. Okay, so I'm just going to go closer to the board. You see, now you can see it even more clearer. How long is that?
35.
And it's 35 centimeters. Do you see, guys? Do you see the difference? The closer we go to the screen, the more clearer the puppet becomes, and the closer to the light, the bigger and fakely it becomes. Alright guys, and that would be for our social science video. Goodbye.